Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, this is the first day of my new posting schedule. So today is October 6th, and I am super excited to get this video out to you guys today because I found 20 fall pillow patterns, and I wanted to get it out to you guys in time to make them, before like Halloween and Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So let's get into what I found. Okay, so this is a pumpkin pie, and I thought this was the most silliest thing I've seen. I thought this was great for Thanksgiving, and you have plenty of time to make it. I thought this would look great, like sitting on a couch, and I love the little whipped cream that's on it. I absolutely love it. I know that pumpkin pie is my favorite when it comes to Thanksgiving, and I thought this would be great. So go check it out. It's free. And this one, I am absolutely not surprised it's paid, even though I am a little surprised at the price. It is $6.21. But it is probably well worth it. It looks like a lot of work went into making this pattern. It is totally giving me like retro 70s vibe. Like I could see this on the couch of like that 70s show or something. But I love it. I thought it was really cute, so I had to include it. And this one, I'm actually surprised it's not paid. I love this pattern. I think the texture looks beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that this is a pillow cover. So like you go buy like one of those 12 by 12 pillows, which you can pretty much find anywhere, like all over online. But it also has a blanket to match. And so like once you learn the stitch, you could totally make a pillow and a blanket to match. And I love it. I love the texture of this. I love the buttons. This is probably one of my favorite pillows out of this whole video. And this one, I am absolutely surprised that it's free. It is fun, if not chaotic. So much is going on in this pillow right here. I would do it maybe in different colors, like more fall colors. I probably wouldn't add blue, like more deeper, browns and oranges and stuff like that. But I absolutely love this. It's awesome. It's called the something sampler pillow. Let me see. Fall stitch sample pillow. So yeah, this I immediately grabbed this when I saw it because it was great. Okay, and this one is $5 and it is a corner to corner, and I love corner to corner, and I believe this one is done with a grid. I've shown you those before, and I believe that this is just the perfect colors for it. I do love this. I think it's gorgeous, so definitely go check this one out too. And this one is $4, and it's actually not a bad price for that. This is like a bobble stitch pumpkin. I'm not sure in the difficulty of this, but I love the texture of a bobble stitch. I think it's beautiful. I would just love running my fingers over it. It'd be very good for anybody like me with ADHD who just needs to fidget. But I think this would look great on the couch, and I love the yarn that they chose for this, and I love the little curly cues. It gives it that 3D aspect, so I love that. And this pillow is $4.99. And I thought it was very interesting color choices, but I think it's perfect. I believe it's called like Autumn in Vermont. And so I've heard stories about like Autumn in Vermont or Connecticut, like everyone goes over there to watch the leaves, right? We have gorgeous fall colors here in the Pacific Northwest as well. But I love the speckled that's done in it too. I think that that's really cute. I love a speckled yarn. I don't know why. I just do. Yeah, I think that the colors are pretty interesting. I think that it's a good choice for it. I do like this pillow. So definitely go check this one out. I'm not sure the difficulty of it, but it is very unique. So I wanted to include it. All right. And this one, I believe it is corner to corner too, and it's $5. But it honestly reminds me of a cartoon. Like, those paintings that they do or like the drawings, whatever. I've even seen people do like wrap cars where they do like the black lines on it that make it look like a cartoon. That's what this reminds me of. It's definitely, I love it. I love the colors of this. It does say that the border was added by the tester and not included in the pattern. So be aware of that, like the blue and black. So I'm not exactly sure what the border looks like. I imagine it just ends at the green. I'm not sure I would use the green, but I do love it. It's a beautiful green. But yeah, the border definitely needs to be changed. So if you do this, I would love to see what kind of border you guys put on it. I'm not sure if that's just fringe. At first, it looked like little twist. It looked like it twisted, blue and black twisted, but I'm not sure. Either way, I love it. Like I said, it's giving me like cartoon vibes. This one is also corner to corner, lots and lots of corner to corner ones in here. But this is perfectly festive. Red trucks are not just for Christmas. I'm loving the corner to corner. It's easier to follow than you think. And I love the red. I mean, the way they just have this looking, I'm not sure if it's done with the grid. It has to be done with the grid. I feel like all the ones that have like the image in it are done with the grid, but yeah, I don't know. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love this. And I'll bet you I end up finding one for Christmas with a tree on it too. So stick around for that one. Okay, nothing screams fall more than an acorn pillow. I love this. It looks like so much work. It looks like all single crochet in like a worsted weight yarn. But this would look so fun and cute on a couch. Imagine this next to one of like that first, like I think it was like the fifth pillow with the corner to corner. I think this would look really good next to like a maple leaf one. I love it. I love the 3D aspect to it. I love like big giant pillows, like the pie. It's cute. And just in time for Halloween, hopefully you guys could get this done, or you could do it in like fall colors, but it has the pattern for the front of the pillow and the back, and it looks pretty easy to follow. I did went and check this out I did blah, blah, blah. I did go and check this out a little bit, and it looks pretty easy to follow, but I'm loving it. It's totally giving me Halloween vibes. You could also do it in fall colors or even Christmas. Christmas is coming. Okay, and this pumpkin pillow, I would not do it in pastels. It's giving like Thanksgiving meets the Easter bunny. I am not a big fan of the color of the pumpkins, but I do love it. I would definitely do the pumpkins like yellow, orange, and like maybe a burnt orange or like a gray brown or something, But I did like it and it's free, so I had to include it. Okay, and this turkey one looks like so much hard work went into making this. It is not corner to corner. It is $5.50, so it is not free. And I am just not surprised that it's free. It's paid. I mean, because like I said, it looks like a lot of hard work went into making this pattern, and it has to be done with the grid, right? This would be perfect for Thanksgiving gatherings, on the couch next to the little pumpkin pie would be adorable. So go check it out. Okay, and this one is $5, and this also looks like a lot of work went into making this. It is definitely worth the price. I love gnomes, and I love the little plaid, whatever word, however you say it, plaid. It's plaid. I love the plaid hat to the gnome. What if you added like an actual pom-pom where the little ball is? I think that would give it like a little 3D aspect and make it look so much cuter. That's what I would do had I made this. I would do that. Okay, and this candy corn, it is $2.96, and I think that is a great price. Just the texture alone does it for me with this one, okay? I love this. Just in time for Halloween. I have no clue what stitch this is, but I absolutely love it. I love the texture. I don't even know what pattern that is. I really don't, but it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love patterns that have texture to them. It's not just straight across. I absolutely love this. Okay, and this one is totally giving me pumpkin vibes. I am surprised this is free. I love the texture. I think this would be great, like all fall season long. You could even use it like as a cushion or like, lumbar support in your back. I love it. It looks very intricate. I'm loving all the texture and I don't think you would get bored with this. They even said with the sampler pillow, you're not going to get bored doing that. I don't think you'll get bored making this one either. And it's free. So I absolutely love it. It'd be great for the fall season, especially around Thanksgiving. Okay, this is $5.10. I'm surprised it's not more. This is an epic design. I actually have a shirt that matches this. I wore it in that Halloween video. I love it. What if you did it in like black and white, not just like pumpkin-y colors? I think black and white would be good, and you could probably get this done just in time for Halloween. I'm a big fan of this. I like this one. And I was actually really surprised that this pattern wasn't paid. It is so gorgeous in like a minimalistic type way. I think just like a lot of work went into this, making it as awesome as it is. I absolutely love it. There's actually a couple pillows away from this we're gonna get to that I think would go perfect with this. Let's get to it. Okay, but this looks like the easiest of all. Okay, this could even be used like as a pillow cover. So if you didn't want to stuff it, it looks like it could be used as a pillow cover. It looks pretty simple to do. It looks like it's all double crochet, and I love the little curly cues that come off of it. And it's just a little square pumpkin. Pretty simple and really cute. This is the one though I think would go with that other one. It's just very minimalistic. And I love the white instead of the orange. And it's just giving that elegant look. I think this, if you could match the colors or something with this pillow and the other one with the leaves, I think that those would go really, really great together. And they're both free. Okay, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited to get this out to you guys. I've been working on this for a little bit. I'm actually surprised I didn't find a lot more. I thought I would find like an overabundance amount of fall pillows, but these were all my favorite ones, so I had to add them in here. And I hope you find one that you want to make. It's hard to say which one's my favorite, honestly. I love the jack-o'-lantern face one and the cartoon looking one. And let's see, what was one of the first ones I think I said was my favorite? Oh yeah, that one with the texture it was like a pillow cover that also had the blanket in the picture next to it. I love it. I think that's probably my favorite texture out of all of these. But my favorite, like, let's say my favorite corner to corner is probably the cartoon pillow. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun. I wanted to get it out to you guys so you guys could get these done in time for fall and decorate your house for Thanksgiving. I will see you guys this Friday. I believe I will be posting a video about amigurumi rules because did you know there were rules? I didn't know there were rules, and apparently I've broken every single one of them. So we're going to get into that this next Friday. And remember, Jesus loves you, and I will see you Friday. Bye.